Hello viewers, this is Pawan. Today I am going to explain about how to create login form using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. Let's start. In the header section, I'm giving the title as login page. Okay, so next body, this body, I'm taking one div element with class name container fluid. Container fluid. Why I'm writing container fluid here means I'm using Bootstrap also. So container and container fluid, row, these are all classes from Bootstrap. Okay, so I'm using here container fluid. Inside this div, I'm taking one form element. Okay, uh, action attribute. When we perform the action, we have to give that result of the action. That path should give. Here I'm using only asterisk because I'm not performing any action here. No. Method. In methods we have three categories: get method, post method, or dialog method. So here I am I'm not giving anything else because I'm not performing any action here. And declare on class as my form. Inside this form, I'm going to writing title of the form. Sign in. Sign in is the my title for this form. Okay. After that, I'm taking one more div element, class name, form group. It means a group of form elements I'm going to write inside this div element. Again, I'm taking one more div element, class name, input container. Input container, one of the class name. Inside this, I'm to declare. I'm taking input element. Type is equal to text. Okay. Placeholder. Uh, this attribute is optional. You can give any name related to our field. So this is a username field. That's why I'm giving username. Name attribute. This one also optional, not mandatory. Username. Save and check output. See, this is sign in. Our title of the form, username, on text field is there. Inside that a placeholder username is. Okay. Here I would like to take Fafa icons also. Okay. So I'm for that we need to import Fafa icons CSS or JavaScript files, and for Bootstrap also we are using container fluid and these form groups. These all are like from Bootstrap only, right? We need to import those related CSS files and JavaScript files. I will write down on header section. Yeah, I element class for 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 user. This is the class name. Okay. Okay. And here I'm going to write import CSS and JavaScript files related to Bootstrap and Fafa icons. See, first one is about font of some CSS file that nothing but Fafa icons. And next one, Bootstrap related links and JS files and CSS files. Save and refresh. See, we are getting here icon before the text field. Fafa, this is called Fafa icon. Okay. Again, I'm taking one more input container of a key here because we're going to give password. In input, type equal to password. Password, sorry, placeholder. Here we can give like asterisks. This is the optional one. Name equal to password. Save and refresh. See here, I'm going to take one button. Okay, inside div we will div inside div element. I'm taking button tag. This button class equal to button button group large. This is one button group, or else you can continue with button group only. Give the text of the button here. Sign in. Here in this div, I'm taking one class attribute with button group large. It will display large button. And here in this button tag, I'm going to take one more class attribute button group primary. Primary. Sorry. So button primary. Button primary. Save and refresh. See, when we give this button class button primary, we're able to see like this. Okay. We need to adjust everything in our form by writing CSS styles. First of all, let us complete form elements. Then we will go to write a styles for this form. Okay. Here I'm taking one more div tag display Here I'm going to take one span element var r. I'm giving the one label as var r. Next, after this div, okay, keep like this. Here I'm going to take one anchor tag element hyperlink dash. I'm not going to declare anything here. This is for forget password. Forget password. Save and replay. You're getting like this. That's fine. After this div, you can take one more div. We are taking button class button, one of the class from Bootstrap. Button second. Here for sign in, we are using button primary. So that here I am using secondary one to show the differentiation between two buttons. Okay. This button name sign with Google. Save and refresh. Getting like this. So I would like to display one more icon here along with signing with Google. Sign correct. So for that icon, I'm going to take one more tag, I tag class for icons for Google. See, we are getting G symbol. The same way, I'm going to take one more div for Facebook. Look, official, Facebook official. Save and refresh. Yeah, we're getting these two. After this, take one more div element plus an h2 tag. Are you new here? New here. After that, can take one anchor tag dash sign up. Save and refresh. Okay, do one thing. Here we can remove this h2 tags. See, are you new here? Then sign up. Okay, this is the basic form in HTML. These all are very basic tags and minimal attributes we are using. So now we have to design properly by using CSS. How CSS will work? Already we have imported font of some CSS file and Bootstrap CSS, and for Bootstrap dependencies like jQuery or and Bootstrap JS files. Okay, now I'm going to take one more file for styles. Styles.css file name. Here simply I'm giving body. So first of all we have to take universal changes, margin 0 pixel, padding auto. Next, body background color. So just taking this one, so not affecting because we are not yet imported our styles into our HTML file. Link relation style. What is the relation? Style sheet. Ref. So dot slash because it is a primary within the directory. So style sheet done. Now save and refresh. See, you can see the page color, body color. Going to write form styles to this form. My form is a class identifier, so I'm using dot operator. Here also background color light coral. See, roll this form, we are giving separate color. Not padding, margin top 25 pixels. Border, border radius 25 pixels. Text align center. See, I would like to change sign in letters color also. Here H1. I'm writing inline styles. Color violet color. Try another color. So, okay. I want to change background color also. So not good. So I change the background colors. Now take icon class for this, padding 18 or 20 pixels, background color dark blue, dark blue, and minimum width 50%. Okay, save and refresh. Okay, changing color, color white. Okay, next input container class. Display inline block, border 2 pixel, solid color blue. Next, input field. Another class in this width. Oh, can stay 35 pixel, 35%. Padding 15 pixels. Save and refresh. See, we want to reduce this icon size, this width. Okay, center or pixel. Check. Yeah, that is pixel with the percent. So, padding. Here we have gap, right? We need to fill that. So input container fill the padding in pixels and margin left 10 pixel, right? Okay, minus same we may use some icons. Correct. Next, border radius 13 pixels. Save and refresh. Now come to sign in button. Here sign in. What is the class type? Button primary is there. So I'm going to use same. Okay, no, this one we can use. Button large, group large. Here width 35%. Okay, save it. Mm, Padding 10 pixel. Okay, now I'm going coming to this one. So I'm focusing on these buttons. Okay, button secondary last name. Here also with the 35 percentage. See the output. Background color. Next border radius 10 pixel. Margin top 10 pixel. So required space here of 5. Google class here color. Okay. Padding right. So 20 pixels. See, like in the same way, not to right. Facebook also. Facebook official. See. So this is the styles for this form. Save and refresh. See, this is the title. Input box with of icons, username and password. Sign in, and or you have a forget password option, or else we can sign in with Google or sign in with Facebook. If you are new here or new user, then you can go for sign up. Okay, this is the forms sign in form by using HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Thanks for watching. Signing off. Bye bye.